Today I have a asus ZenBook AX430 laptop, and this laptop problem is keyboard is not working and control knob is broken here, and today I will replace this keyboard very simple and easy way. Under this motherboard and cooling fan, our keyboard is sitting, and I need to open all these parts. First of all, I will open the laptop battery. This is the first time I am opening this laptop, and here is a dust. Here is so many dust in the cooling fan. I will clean this. Before I open in this motherboard, I need to open all this screw, this one, this one, this one, and here is one. Speaker connection. And at first I need to open this keyboard because of our work on the keyboard, and that's why this keyboard is attaching by the plastic repeat, and I will broken this for opening the laptop keyboard. Okay, this is our original keyboard, and I will change this and you just set up this here as it is. Very simple way, and I will use some super glue for holding this keyboard, attaching this keyboard accurately. Here is one problem, and I got this keyboard and this ribbon is not set up this perfectly, but it will work, and this ribbon is okay, but I have used this keyboard with bandit. Okay, let's see what happens, it will work or not. Okay, all screw attached, and let's check it. And display has come, you can see here. Yes, all laptop is okay. And let's check the keyboard and what happened. And all key are working, and I don't know what is the laptop password, and due to the security reason I don't want to the logging in this laptop. And but our keyboard is working fine, everything is working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Shut down the laptop and it's okay.